Hi, Lynn with Create Whimsy, and today I'm going to show you how to do a couching embroidery stitch. And what you'll need is your fabric. I like to use a hoop because it keeps the tension great on my thread. You're going to have an embroidery thread. I've got a pearl cotton here. You can use 6-strand floss. I would use 2 strands probably. And then a heavier thread. Then this happens to be a silk straw thread that we're going to couch down. Pair of embroidery scissors, and if you haven't tried this clover needle threader, it will save your life trying to get some of these heavier threads through your needles. So what we're going to start with is your heavier thread. So you can see this is a heavier piece of silk, and we're going to pull it up along a line wherever you wanted to couch your thread. And then you're going to hold it down. You're going to take your embroidery thread and you're going to bring it up just after, this is probably like 1/8 of an inch. Here, I need to tighten my hoop a little bit more. Wasn't keeping the fabric tight. Okay, bring it up. This is about 1/8 of an inch from the end. And then what you want to do is you just want to stitch right over your thicker thread. What we're doing is securing it in place with little stitches. And then come up again. And make another little thread. And you want to make sure that you come up right, like I like that stitch better there than the first one, just so that it secures it nicely. There. You can see this would make a really lovely outline for your embroidery. It works well for straight lines. Curved lines work really, really well. A monogram would be lovely with this. There. And when you're at the end of your line, now, because we've got this with the needle, you can just take your fancy yarn, your thicker yarn, to the back side, and then tie both of them off. And that's how you couch.